The whole U.S. banking industry is on the brink of being disrupted by XRP and Ripple. I believe the world should keep an eye on the U.S., particularly the upcoming administration's agenda and the regulatory shifts occurring, such as the reorganization of the SEC and comparable agencies. For the avoidance of doubt, allow me to present myself to the channel's viewers. Hi, I'm Nick. If you haven't done so already, I would be eternally grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and join the free Discord that I have supplied in the video's description. So far, I have discussed the potential form of rules pertaining to these utilities projects, as well as the SEC and the CFTC as potential industry participants. Consider XRP and similar initiatives in the future monetary system. They will play a significant role, in my opinion, given Ripple's current moves and the continuing conversation surrounding tokenization. The world's nations are all gearing up for the same thing right now. Their goal, similar to America's, is to become major cryptocurrency centers. Looking at what's happening on my screen right now has got us thinking about how blockchain is helping to fix a lot of problems with regular transaction processes, such foreign payments. Ripple has recently published this article. There are 6 main problems that local banks have when trying to get payment for overdue accounts. Problems with the dependability of the service, limitations on entrance, delays in settlement, the affordability of additional payments, the management of complex compliance procedures, and limited finance. Actually, Ripple payments fix all of these issues. Our focus now shifts to the RLUSD stablecoin, the announcement of which we have no current date. The fourth one came up a lot. There may already have been announcements about the film's release by the time it goes live online. Having said that, XRP holders should keep a careful eye on the stable cryptocurrency. Also, I'll explain in the video why this is important, but in the meanwhile, here are some things to keep in mind: the reliability of Ripple USD, easy on-off ramps between fiat currency and stable cryptocurrency, rapid incentives, and global availability. The fact that the stablecoin is changing the way people pay for things across borders is also acknowledged, as it is distributed via the Ethereum blockchain and the XRP ledger. Everyone seems to be guessing that they'll be putting more effort into the Ethereum side. The reason why the Ethereum blockchain is used to settle transactions is something I just don't get. I simply fail to grasp the logic underlying it. The XRP ledger excels in this regard. The XRP ledger will handle an abnormally large number of RLUSD transactions, in my opinion. I think that sums up my thoughts. Once that is out of the way, we can have a look at Ripple USD for commercial payments and transfers. Once again, such international arrangements are called into doubt in this case. The stablecoin serves as a unifying factor in the end. Many of those savings, particularly those associated with the XRP ledger, start to look questionable after that. All of our domestic and international money transfers take place here. Centralized exchanges can help increase transaction volume, but only if they work with a reliable coin partner. Payment processors are another group to consider. A stablecoin that places a premium on payments and compliance might open doors to new markets and global liquidity. Companies, firms, and other types of organizations fall under this category. The advantages of Ripple USD include transparent and programmable financing, fast settlements, issuance across many chains, and abundant liquidity. An increasingly important role for stablecoins is emerging in the international monetary system. Nonetheless, it all began in June of this year when we also traveled over this way. Allow me to inform you on the progress of Ripple's product and how the soon-to-be-released ROUSD stablecoin will enhance our use of XRP for optimal cross-border flows. I am the president of Ripple, and this is my first call. Here, assisting users in making XRP transactions is crucial. To help illustrate this point, we have included a short video here, approximately 2 minutes long. There is a seamless integration between Justin's XRP and Ripple's stablecoin, ROUSD. The purpose of ROUSD, according to Monica Long, was to supplement and improve XRP. She went on to explain that XRP's function is to act as a medium of exchange for all tokenized assets on the network. Have a peek. In comparison to XRP, what advantages do stablecoins offer? The question is well posed. Their additive and synergistic character is how we see them. Consequently, there are a lot of cases when the most cost-effective choice or the preferred way of payment for that branch of our business is to conduct the transaction in US dollars. There is a lot of trading activity in the major corridors such as the US dollar and the euro. To stay afloat, you are not dependent on XRP or any other bridge asset. It had always been characterized that manner by the ledger authors. In addition, when we were first discussing Ripple, we often brought up the idea of a neutral coin serving as a bridge asset. Here, XRP stands for the future Internet of Value, where a vast variety of items will be tokenized on a chain. The long tail plays a pivotal role in facilitating more efficient cross-currency or cross-token settlement. Assist me in making space. Consider the following scenario. A country in sub-Saharan Africa sends money to a country in Europe or the Middle East. Here, the long tail of assets and currencies bears the brunt of the expense. On top of that, liquidity is lower, there is a hefty price tag, may end yourself shelling out fees equivalent to 10% of that for such a transaction. XRP is expected to play a role in that domain. Being both a liquidity centerpiece and a neutral bridging currency are its dual purposes. Taken together, the stablecoin is greatly expanding XRP's use. Also keep in mind what Brad Garlinghouse remarked recently, that subjective opinions on this matter deserve praise. The RLUSD stablecoin, developed by Ripple, will primarily appeal to larger institutional investors. The purpose of this interview is to discuss Ripple and your company generally. Also, I'd like to discuss the upcoming launch of a new stablecoin, payments, custody, and your enterprise business. Right now, which of these offerings do you think will be most popular among your employees? We have always prioritized resolving the most contentious issues because of this. Transferring funds across national borders and currencies has long been a contentious issue, and cross-border transfers have proven to be especially difficult. Some people will start using cryptocurrency for nothing more than buying and selling virtual money. That is challenging for a lot of folks. Cooperation with financial institutions and payment processors to streamline, speed up, and reduce